So you're going to open up ChatGPT, you're going to log in. On the left-hand side, you're going to see something that says Explore. And at the very top, you're going to see something that says Create a GPT. When you click it, you're going to get a left-hand panel and a right-hand panel. In the left-hand panel, you can configure this thing. You can hit Upload Files and give it a set of knowledge. So you can give it your PDFs, your books, your previous presentations. It's going to be, what are you going to call it? How are you going to describe it? How's it going to work? And then the knowledge, where you hit Upload Files, is where you can upload files. So you can upload your transcripts, you can upload a book transcript, you can upload screenshots. This is literally just talking and typing in order to create this thing. So it's literally that simple. Fill in the name, fill in the description, fill in the instructions, upload the files, and away you go. And then in the right-hand side, in the preview, you can actually start talking to it to see what it's going to do. Is it going to work? Is it going to say things you want to say in the way you want to say them? So if it's being too verbose in that instructions, you can put you're being too verbose. So you can just keep expanding and doing this thing. And then once you come out of configure, then just talk to it to fine tune it.